you're setting up a birthday hello event for someone, you are the host, and this video is made exactly for you. Being the host means you are the one in charge. You create the event, you decide who gets invited, you collect the contributions from the guests, and at the end, you are the one who publishes the event. It's not a complicated role, but there are a few things worth knowing so you don't hit any surprises along the way. Everything starts right here on the homepage. You don't need an account to create your first event. You can start right away. Click Create Your Event Now. Follow the steps that you see on the screen to create your event. Here you will see all the information previously added. You can edit the name of your event, upgrade the deadline, pick a theme, and upload a photo. Then you write a message that guests will see when they click on their invite link. Think of it as the Hey Everyone note. Keep it personal. It sets the tone for the whole experience. Once you complete the setup, your event is created and you land on the dashboard. This is where you will spend most of the time as a host. Let's take a look at what is here. At the top you will see the name of the event, the description, the photo. Also next to it you will see the due date, the progress bar, and the invite link. If you need to edit this information, you can do it with the button that says Edit Info. Also applies for the deadline. When the event is brand new, it will look pretty empty because we haven't invited anyone yet. The most important thing on this screen is your invite link. This is the link you will share with everyone you want to contribute for the event. You can copy it manually or send it directly using one of these buttons. One thing to keep in mind is that the invite link and the birthday person's link are two different things. The invite link goes to the guest and the birthday person link comes after you publish. Don't mix those up. You will see the contributions of the guest in your dashboard. This is where you keep an eye on who's contributed and who hasn't. When you're ready, you publish the event. Publishing costs $15 one time. No subscription, no monthly fee. You pay once and the event stays live. After checkout, you will get the birthday person's unique link. This is what you send to them, however you want to do it. A text message, an email, a WhatsApp message, right at midnight on their birthday. That's actually up to you. It's a pretty smooth flow once you've done it. And if you have questions at any point, check the other tutorials. There's one specifically for guests. So if someone you invited needs help, you can point them there. Thanks for watching and happy planning. Bye!